Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And I've been shopping again, and this time it was my local Dollar Tree store. I went to look for primarily fall decor. They had some out. It wasn't super laid out just yet, but it was enough to get me started because I was looking for some specific items, which I was able to find some of them. Okay, let's get started. These are fat quarters, and they had some in solids, and I got one of each. And then this is a stripe, and this one, it has little yellow flowers on it, and this one has pumpkins. Now, at $1.25, this isn't bad because the price of fat quarters has really gone up a lot. So I thought this was a real bargain. And this is some yarn. Now, I just have little craft projects I use them on. Sometimes I use the yarn in some of my cross-stitch projects. It all just depends. And also, I use it for doll hair. I've been really getting into fabric dolls, and I am having a blast. And by the way, if you're interested in learning how to make a fabric doll, I have a link to one which I will have listed down below your YouTube screen. It's in that description section. So scroll down, click on Show More. It will expand open and you'll see it. They're a lot of fun to make. So this I can use as hair, plus, as I said, other craft projects. Now this is burlap. It's about a fat quarter size, and I might be using these on a pumpkin wreath. I haven't made up my mind yet, but look at this. This one here has sunflowers on it, so it's like perfect for the fall. And this is just plain, and what's really nice about the plain one is you can use any other colors to accessorize it. So this will work with anything. Now, I know Post-its, little sticky notes, have nothing to do with sewing, but I use Post-its a lot. You'll see them in my tutorials. I write little things on them to leave you all little notes so that you make sure that you understand it. So I go through these like crazy. These are little burlap pumpkins, and I thought this would really be fun to glue these onto other fall decor that I like to make. And then this one is so cute. I'm going to attach it to a little pumpkin wreath I'm making. So this is a little acorn made out of burlap and this little beaded ring, and then you've got this string that you could hang it on. Now, these are sunflowers, and I like gluing these on a lot of different things, whether I'm making a decorative basket or these little pumpkins. And you can put like one of the smaller sunflowers on them as a little accessory to it. And if you're interested in learning how to make these little pumpkins, I'll have a link listed below your YouTube screen in the description section. These are little scarecrows on a stick, and I usually will put them in a vase of artificial flowers, but you don't have to do that. You can cut the stick off and then glue these onto other fall decor that you might be working on. Now this is a little sign. It's just blank, so you can put anything you want in it. So I'm thinking of making a large decorative basket with this sticking in, kind of cocked off to the side, full of all types of fall foliage. And then I was going to put some sort of a cross-stitch pattern in here, like grateful, thankful, blessed, something like that, and make it look very rustic to go with the other fall items that are in the basket. Now this is the pumpkin wreath form, and they do have them in stock, at least in my local Dollar Tree. I bought this last year. I stocked up last year at the end of the season because I wanted to make sure I'd have one for this year. Now, the ones at Dollar Tree are a little flimsy, but if you're careful with them, you can really do some fun stuff with them. If you want to spend a little bit more money, go to a Hobby Lobby or some other higher-end craft stores, because those are really, really sturdy. But for the things I like to do, this is going to work out fine for me. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul, and take some time and go to your local Dollar Tree store and just kind of peruse through the aisles to see what goodies that they have there. You just might see something that really sparks that creativity in you so that you will make more items. So many of you tell me you're thinking about it, but you're not quite there yet. You're still on the fence because you're a little bit nervous about starting some of these projects. The best way to get started is just dive in and do it. Now again, don't forget to look below your YouTube screen and look for those links that are in the description section. I'll also have a few beginner sewing projects down there. Now don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.